Okay, let's discuss how to navigate through our course. When you open the home or just open the course shell, you'll have the information about your instructor. And reminder that this is a hybrid course. You will be working online and attending classes, and tests will be taken during class. If you scroll further down, there is the course navigation. You can click on the individual weeks if you want and start here. Or you could have done the same thing by clicking on modules. You will want to do modules, not just the Canvas to-do list, and that's on the side of the home, because we have additional information in here for you. So we have the tentative calendar for you. If you want the textbook, we do have the text. It's free. This class is OER, Open Educational Resources. If you need additional help with our Canvas tutorials, there are a whole bunch there. And I'm going to walk through some of it. Okay. So then online tutoring services, Campus Carry, and then we get actually into the weeks. Because it is a hybrid class, we do have actual points for attendance. And you'll notice that we have submitting work using a CAM scanner. You can use CAM scanner, or if you just go to wherever you get your apps on your phone, you can search for a scanner and you're going to submit your written work or your uploaded work as a PDF with your weekly assignments, quizzes, tests, projects, you name it. But you will want to check that out. I'm going to go back to modules. Notice in week 1, we do have academic honesty agreement where you will need to upload an assignment. If you want to start an assignment, notice that this one says that you need to download the policy agreement. You can download this and write on it on your screen if you have a touch screen, or you can draw in a Word document. You can also print this out, take a picture or scan it and submit that. But you need to initial after every line. But the main thing I want you to remember is that when you have to submit your work in Canvas Dropbox, you would click Start Assignment, and then you can choose to click Upload a File, and then choose your file and attach. So let's say I submit a file, or I chose a file, and then I submit it. And it'll say my submission details and that I actually submitted it. I'm going to go back to the modules, show you what else is going on in here. Notice that we have note packets, note packet submissions. This is where you are going to attend your virtual asynchronous lectures. You will download the note packet and you can write on the note packet. You can write your notes by hand if you want. That's completely up to you. Otherwise, as I said, you can download this, and if you have a touchscreen or writing format, you can write on there. You can print this out, but then again, you will be taking a scan of your work and submitting it. Now, each one of these is a part or an example on that guided note packet. So, for example, with the guided note packet, all of these blanks are going to be given to you. The answers are going to be given to you as you walk through the videos. Okay, so today we're going, and they go step by step. And again, you would click Start the assignment and upload your completed note packet. You will be doing all of your notes outside of class time, so we can spend class time going over your questions or reviewing, or maybe even doing group work. So I can see how you guys are doing on the material. Okay. We also have additional resources. So if you need additional videos on, for instance, simplifying radicals or factoring, we will be putting resources into the modules for you. Modules open Sunday at 12 o'clock a.m. So Saturday night into Sunday, the weekly module opens and you will have assignments due starting on Tuesday or Wednesday of each week. And then your online homework assignments typically start on Thursday. I ask you to do the note packets first, followed by the actual online homework. You are going to want to watch How Do I Complete the Online Homework video because it walks you through it. And then you are going to do a small assignment, the Intro to Online Math Program, where you will learn how to enter the different answers in our program. Okay. Week 2, although it is set up, you will not be able to access any of it, but you can see the due dates if you want to plan ahead. But again, that will open Sunday, September 1st. Okay. You need to look through our simple syllabus. It will tell you that you're going to have homework. If it is an upload assignment, like your note packet submissions, there is a 48-hour late window. If you submit work 24 hours late or within 24 hours late, it's a 10% deduction. Within 24.5 to 48 hours late, so a full second day late, it's 25% deduction. Okay. We have our grades. There we go. And you can see that the one that I submitted needs to be graded, but it tells you when I submitted it. Notice that our weights attendance is 13%. So essentially every class period that we meet is worth 1% of your grade. Note packets are a whopping 17%. Those note packets are your lectures to make sure that you are getting instruction on the material. Your online homework's 15%. Quizzes are 10. Your unit exams, there's 3 of them. They're going to be in class. They are 24%. We have SLO assignments. There's 3 of them, so they're going to be a total of 21%. And then we have optional assignments that are not included in your grade that are more like the reviews for your exams, which are posted in the weekly modules. Okay. If you want to go for tutoring, you would click on Brainfuse. If you want to do online tutoring, and it's yelling at me because I'm not a student, but you could click there and you can connect with a tutor online 24/7. So if you are doing your homework at 2 o'clock in the morning, please don't do that. I know some of you have to, but try not to. Then you can still get real help in real time. You can also go to our tutoring labs on campus. Okay. Office 365 is your Excel, your PowerPoint, your Word. Tutoring services at TSC. So Brainfuse is online TSC tutoring services are our Centers for Academic Excellence, which used to be the Learning Labs. And course evaluations will be important at the end of the semester. So look through our calendar and then go ahead and get started on the homework. Your first homework assignment, there's two of them. There's the Intro to Online Math. There's your Academic Honesty Agreement. You can get those completely knocked out without even having to solve any math problems. So go ahead and get started and let me know if you have any questions.